is our van we bought to do an extended trip up north. We purchased a 2000 watt Enerdrive inverter with remote switch from my generator. If you want to come in, I'll show you how we've installed it. So just up on the panel here you see this is the remote switch for it. All you got to do is just hold the button in for a couple of seconds, beeps, and it's good to go. It's fantastic for using the microwave, our blender a few times, and occasionally we've even used it to use the aircon. The actual unit itself is mounted down in the box, just down here. You can kind of see it down on the floor, just in there. Fantastic, thanks heaps guys from my generator.